Hey guys, just going to try out the 30-second timer on the 5-second chart. And here we go. We're just going to go for a short little while, setting our timer for 10 minutes. And let's go. Got her set up for 45 bucks per trade. Started out at $315. $315. I haven't spent too much time doing the 30-second timer, so just kind of trying her out. To me, it looks like it's kind of lost interest, so I think there's going to be some selling going on. So I got in for a sell. We'll see what happens. Looking good so far. Right on, we got our W. Off to a good start. Showing a lot of buying support on this one. We'll try and wait for a better entry for this. Almost looks like it's gonna roll over. Just looking at the stash. Let's just move on. Let's just toggle through some charts, look for some good opportunities. The 30-second timer. It's gonna break, or is it gonna go down? About right up to this next level, eh? Yeah, let's jump in, sure. Oh, here's the other level. We're already pretty far away from our entry, so that's good. Yeah, pretty massive run here, right? Looks like it's starting to die off now. Okay, so we got another win. Showing a lot of buy-in support. Nice solid trend. It's hard to tell when it's going to stop. That's the tricky part.
Hey Pluto here. Shout out to all you wonderful creators for coming to Upbeat for your music. Keep doing what you do and help support us artists by upgrading to Upbeat Premium now.
Showing a higher low here. little bit of support with that big strong candle. It could keep going. Let's get into a buy. Might not go much lower than here. To me right there it was showing some support. Now we got another win. We're doing good. So our $45 trades. We're 3 for 3. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Turned around. Let's try another chart. Looks like it's starting to trend upwards. So we'll try and catch the next leg once it starts moving up. Excuse me. It's not really giving us a good pullback. Okay, here's something. Just gotta make sure it's not gonna keep going down. Breaking the MA20. Where is it gonna find support? This is looking like support so far. Yeah, we could try that. Kind of got in at a bad position. I guess this is kind of breaking trend and then showing support off at the break, so yeah. I think we're done for here, guys. Faked us out. Got us good. So it looks like we're going downwards now. But we'll see. Because we think we're going downwards, put a bet in there. Kind of an aggressive, risky trade, but okay, so we're 1 for 1 on this chart. It's gonna come back or keep dropping. I want to go in for a sell right now. Looks like it's doing a bit of consolidation. 25 seconds on the timer. Maybe we'll start showing support. Okay, well, let's end the session. These are $45 trades where 4 wins, 1 loss. Yeah, so that's pretty good. Nice. Four. So we're 4 out of 5. Right on. What is that? I mean, 4 out of 5. 85%? 80%. Nice. Well, that matches what I wrote down on my little sheet here. Can't really see it, but I'll read it to you. I'm a highly profitable trader. I'm very patient. I win more than 80%. I understand trading easily. I always know where the market is going. I always select winning entries. Trading gives me energy and joy. So, yeah, I just wrote this down. I started making this last night. Sort of recommended to some people on YouTube and by a couple of friends of mine. So, yeah, it feels good just reading and kind of reminding yourself about it. So, highly recommended. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody, and God bless you. Cheers, everybody.